Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Tearing out the kitchen cabinets today, and I've got one corner almost complete. I just got to finish up the very top of the upper. Then I'm going to cut this countertop in half so that I can rip out this lower section, which is going to be a real pain because the lower sections are nailed together like God himself wanted it to stay forever. So it's going to be an interesting situation. I want to leave the countertop over the microwave there, but we'll have to see how that works. I might want to cut this and cut this and just leave this sitting here so that I can pull this apart. We'll have to see. I think I'm going to cut this first. I got a recording of that. That's good.
Good. You can play that. Gonna scare off the foxes.
Well, the way this lighting circuit goes, there's one black lug and one brass lug on one side. Then there's a brass lug on the other. On this side, we have two red wires. One goes to the black lug, one goes to the brass lug. And then we have a black wire that goes to the brass lug. When I look at the new switch, it has a black lug and a brass lug and another brass lug. So you would think that I could just take this wire off that black lug and put it onto that black lug, onto this black lug. You would think I could take that black wire, off that black lug and put it onto this black lug. And that should work just fine. Then take this wire off the brass one, put it onto there, take this one over here and off of that one and put it onto this one. Off of that one, onto this one. Now, if they had followed a normal pattern of doing things, they would have said, okay, we're going to have three different colors of wire. We're going to have a white wire, a red wire, and a black wire. But because they don't like doing that here, they had it on this side, but not on the other side. So this white wire's got black goop on it. Either that's somebody marking it, or the wire burnt. Either one's just as likely. Because it's gotten hot at some time or another. Hard to tell. That's how they go. White wire goes on the black lug, red wire goes on the brass lug, and then the black wire goes on the other brass lug. I don't know whether it's going to work. We're going to try. Ceiling light on. Ceiling light off. Woohoo! Off. On. Off again. No bangs, no booms.